Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. This one we can write into e to the power of s, e to the power of negative y. So we can do about factorization by e to the power of negative y. This one we can write into 1 over e to the power of y. So e to the power of y we put on the left, the s we put on the right. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. The integration of this one, you got about e to the power of y. This one you got about e to the power of s. This one you got about s to the power of 3 over 3. And we put about c. This is the end. Thank you for watching.